to show you how to make over your IKEA Tullsta chair. So they still sell these in stores, as you can see. It is a blank canvas for you to customize. That's why I love this chair so much. And I also love that it has these wooden Scandinavian peg legs, which just looks super classy in every living room. So here is your Rockin Cushions cover. You can order these online at my website. And the cover actually has an invisible zipper down the back. So what you want to do is open this zipper before you put it on the chair, and the zipper is actually going to be positioned on the back. So we are going to turn this around like this, and we are going to put this with the zipper facing the back. And this, by the way, is ticking stripe in navy, which goes really well if you're doing a farmhouse decor style or anything traditional, traditional American or coastal decor. Navy stripe is just a classic. And you're going to do the zipper right down the back. And because it's an invisible zipper, you literally can't see it because it's invisible. So here we have cover for our chair, and to save time, I've actually put cover on the cushion, and this has an invisible zipper here for the front side. Goes all the way around. The zipper on the seat actually goes towards the back of the chair like this, and would not be complete without the little pillow. So, there you have it. And you can find more covers in my store in all different prints for all different decor styles.